Today, we are going to discuss about the power of law and how it is important in a democratic country or society. When a student talks about joining in a law college and he brings this proposal to his parents, the parents in turn ask him, "What are you going to do when you complete your law degree? Are you sure that you will get a standard income on a monthly basis?" That is the first question raised by the parents. Now, on the face of it, it might appear that their questions are not wrong because every parent wants their children to have a financial stability after spending 3 or 5 years of education in a college. Now, every other stream of education, barring law, has some form of steady monthly income because other forms of other disciplines, for example, more or less presume that they somehow will join in a company and they will earn monthly salary as income. But when it comes to the question of legal education, it may or may not be possible, right? When we talk about lawyers or advocates or legal practitioners, etc., most of the members in society picture the lawyers as people roaming around with the black gowns and white shirts and white knots, etc., in the courthouse. Beyond that, the society does not presume, or the common masses do not presume, that lawyer has any other job outside the courthouse. But it is not true. In the life of a lawyer, only 10% of his time is spent within the four walls of a court. Because outside the court hall, lawyer has so much, job to do. Legal education becomes highly vital in a country, in a society where the constitution has accepted democratic principles as its foundation. For example, in India, and other common examples of high quality democracy, if you will, we constantly keep referring back to USA and UK and other continental European countries. The reason why we refer to those countries is because our Indian constitution has borrowed certain high principles from the constitutions of these countries, like UK, USA, and other continental countries in Europe. So, on the face of it, I would like to say, if you are deciding to join a law course, be it a 3-year LLB course or a 5-year law course, you have taken a right decision. But you need to be clear with your end goals. If you are willing to sacrifice your goal of financial security for a short time after completing your law degree, then you have taken up the right domain. Throughout the world, lawyers have shaped the future of their countries, be it USA, be it any other democratic countries. If you see the history, almost all the founding fathers of American Constitution or USA, most of them are highly educated lawyers. Can you claim that simply because they could not earn a monthly income, their profession or their vocation was not good enough? No, not possible. In a country like India, where most of our masses are illiterate and their rights are taken away on a daily basis by the powerful, by the mighty, by the police, by the representatives of the bureaucracy and the government, in the name of rule of law, the role of lawyers is paramount. Whenever an ordinary citizen's right is taken away by the agencies of government or the instrumentalities of the state, lawyer stands side by side with the common citizen to defend his rights. Now, this is exactly why across the world for a very long time, the profession of a lawyer is called as a noble profession, and often it is treated on equal lines as a profession equal to doctor. There used to be saying in the past, if you go to a doctor, you should not lie. Likewise, if you go to lawyer, you should not lie. You see, that is why the society treats the doctor and the lawyer as noble professions. So if you have decided to join the law course, you have taken the right decision. Now, what will you do after completing your law degree is something we will discuss in a series of video sessions on this subject. Thank you.